Fisher Auto, where we are going to present the $1,000 prize for the City of Boulder's Park and Recreation Expand program to the winner, Kim Calvo. So she wins $1,000. Everybody give her a nice round of applause. Yay! There you are, Kim. We got $1,000. And the Fishers wanted us also to get you a nice little gift package, so we got you some of the nice tote bags, an ice scraper, and I think your lovely daughters are really going to be excited about the Kia hamsters. We got you a couple of nice toys there, so that way you can enjoy. They don't float like the ducks, but they're fun to play with.
Awesome.
So, and we've got Colleen Johnson here with the City of Boulder.
And Colleen King with the Play Boulder Foundation. I really want to thank Fisher Kia for supporting the Expand Duck Race. Makes it a wonderful experience.
We're glad to be a part of it. Jen and I are real proud to be here and sponsor you guys. Hope to do it again next year. All right, thanks.